All right, what is up, y'all? So if you're looking for some health-based motivation to keep you on track and inspire you, then maybe having some posters placed strategically in your home or your office or the places that you frequent would help. So I have 11 by 17 posters that I printed for myself and I've hung up in my office, and I absolutely love them. I've given them away as gifts, and I've sold some because some clients have requested them. So I just want to show you some examples of what these look like. All right, so these are color cardstock. Some of our more popular ones here are things like our better is better, one of our most famous sayings ever, because even if it's just a little bit better, it's still better, right? We're looking for small increments of better as we go through this personal holistic health journey, okay? So better is better has been a really popular one. One of my favorites is our we eat meat. All right, so if you're a meat eater and you want to be proud and vocal about it, that might be something cool to have hanging up somewhere. Another one that was really popular with some of my clients has been our every decision is a vote for the version of yourself that you want to be. Super solid. Another one of my favorites is our beef, butter, bacon, and broth make beautiful bodies. And actually we have this in a couple of different colors. And actually I can make it in any color you want. I got a yellow one here, stands out just a little bit more, okay? And pretty much any of the images that we've seen or that you've seen in any of our stuff, we could do. All right, so another great one, I think, is this one decision away. A lot of us are very familiar with it. We have a magnet, and that would be good as a poster, as a reminder, okay? Another great one is our vision for yourself and your health. And this is just some statements that you can read to yourself most days. And a lot of us have this hanging up on our fridge as an 8.5 by 11, but this is an 11 by 17. And super solid, really great, okay? And again, just about any image you can think of, we could probably do it with, but those are the ones that really stood out to us. And I've had clients request them. So, and then what you can do is you can get yourself an 11 by 17 frame, which are really cheap and easy to get. You can get these at Michael's. You can get them probably at Walmart. Not very expensive at all. The posters, color print, cardstock are $4, and then I can mail them to you. I don't think the mailing is going to be that expensive because it'll just be a big flat envelope. And then you can get your own frame for it. All right. So if that interests you, just let me know. They should be up in the store, and if they're not up in the store, you can just comment and let me know, and we'll figure it out together. Okay. All right, y'all. Keep it real.